How to increase ringtone time on an Android phone. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to increase ringtone time on an Android phone. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, you just need to head over to your phone right there and then type in asterisk hash 61 hash, and then just click and dial that and you will see a number. So typically the number is 61101, and then after you get that number, then what you can do next is to type in asterisk 61 asterisk 61101, which is your number right there, and then add in another two asterisks and then type in how many long ringtone time you want. So for example, you want it to be 30 seconds, so just put in 30 and then close it by a hash. Then after that, just call it again and it should be able to save it if your mobile provider allows it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to increase ringtone time on an Android phone. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!